A day in Seoul, a lifetime of phrases. Hey guys, it's Azik and I'm so excited for this video. Today we're going on an incredible journey through the vibrant streets of Seoul. Imagine the bustling city life, the energetic vibe, and the endless opportunities to learn something new. Have you ever wished you could just snap your fingers and suddenly sound supernatural when you speak English? I know I have, and that's why I'm here to help you out. We're going to explore some amazing phrases that will make you sound like a native speaker in no time. Well, today's your lucky day. We're diving deep into the heart of Korea to uncover the secrets of natural-sounding English. We're heading to Korea, virtually of course, to learn some super useful everyday phrases. These are the kind of phrases that will make your conversations flow smoothly and effortlessly. Get ready to level up your English game. By the end of this video, you'll have a whole new set of tools to use in your daily interactions. Hey, ever wondered how to sound more natural when speaking English? It's not just about knowing the words, it's about how you use them. Let's dive into my day in Korea and learn 5 super useful phrases you can use every single day. These phrases are not only practical, but also fun to use. Stay tuned for a secret phrase at the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. It's a game changer that will make you sound even more fluent and confident. So, let's get started and make the most of our virtual trip to Korea. Okay, so imagine this. You wake up in a cute little Airbnb in Seoul, nestled in a neighborhood that feels both foreign and familiar. The room is cozy, with a mix of modern and traditional Korean decor that makes you feel right at home. The sun is streaming through the window, casting a warm golden glow over everything. It's the kind of light that makes you want to linger in bed just a little longer, soaking in the peaceful morning vibes. And you can already smell kimchi pancakes from the street vendors below. The aroma is mouth-watering, a tantalizing mix of savory and spicy that promises a delicious breakfast. First things first, we gotta greet the day. You stretch, feeling the pleasant ache of muscles waking up after a good night's sleep. The anticipation of a new day in a vibrant city fills you with excitement. In English, you can't go wrong with a classic good morning. It's simple, it's friendly, and it sets a positive tone for the day ahead. But if you're feeling extra chill, you can totally just say, "Hey, what's up?" to your friends. It's casual, it's cool, and it shows that you're relaxed and ready to take on whatever the day brings. It's casual, it's cool, it's the perfect way to start the day. Whether you're meeting up with friends for breakfast or just passing by someone in the hallway, a casual greeting can make all the difference. Oh, and if you want to check in with someone, you can always hit them with a, "How's it going?" It's a great way to show that you care about how they're doing. And it opens up the conversation for a deeper connection. It shows you care, you know? Taking a moment to ask about someone's well-being can really brighten their day and strengthen your relationship. It's these little interactions that make life richer and more meaningful. Now, let's talk about the most important part of the morning routine: coffee. There's something magical about that first cup of coffee in the morning. The rich aroma, the warmth of the mug in your hands, the way it wakes up your senses and gets you ready to face the day. You take that first sip, and it's like everything falls into place. The world seems a little brighter, your mind a little clearer. It's a small moment of joy that sets the tone for the rest of the day. As you step out into the bustling streets of Seoul, coffee in hand, you're ready to explore. The city is waking up around you, with shops opening, people heading to work, and the energy of the day building. You wander through a nearby market, taking in the sights and sounds, the vibrant colors of fresh produce, the chatter of vendors, the enticing smells of street food. It's a sensory feast that makes you feel alive and connected to the world around you. You can't resist stopping at a street vendor to grab a quick snack. Maybe it's a hotteok, a sweet Korean pancake filled with brown sugar and nuts, or a skewer of tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes that pack a punch. Whatever it is, it's the perfect fuel for your morning adventure. As you enjoy your snack, you can't help but smile. There's something incredibly satisfying about starting your day with good food, good coffee, and the promise of new experiences. It's a reminder that life is full of simple pleasures, and sometimes the best way to start the day is to savor them. With your coffee finished and your snack devoured, you take a moment to plan your day. Maybe you'll visit a historic palace, explore a trendy neighborhood, or just wander and see where the day takes you. Whatever you choose, you know it's going to be an adventure. So here's to waking up in Seoul, greeting the day with a smile, and diving into the vibrant energy of the city. With coffee in hand and a sense of adventure in your heart, you're ready to make the most of every moment. Okay, so we're fueled up on good vibes and ready to hit the streets of Seoul. The city is bustling with energy, and there's no better way to start the day than with a fresh cup of coffee. Whether you're a local or a traveler, the coffee culture here is something you don't want to miss. But first, coffee, because priorities. There's something magical about that first sip, the way it warms you up and gets you ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. It's not just a drink, it's a ritual, a moment of peace before the chaos. Ordering in English can be low-key intimidating, but don't worry, I got you. It's all about confidence and a friendly smile. Most baristas are used to serving international customers, so they'll understand you just fine. Plus, a little effort goes a long way. You can keep it simple with a "can I get a?" This phrase is your best friend. It's straightforward and gets the job done. No need to overcomplicate things. Just point at the menu if you're unsure about pronunciation, or I'll have a, followed by your drink of choice. Whether it's a classic Americano, a frothy cappuccino, or a trendy matcha latte, just say it with a smile. The barista will appreciate your effort and you'll get exactly what you want. Trust me, the barista will understand. They're there to help you, and they want you to enjoy your coffee experience. So take a deep breath, relax, and place your order with confidence.
How's your day going so far? This simple question can open up a world of conversation. It's a great icebreaker and shows that you're interested in the other person's day. Plus, it's a nice way to pass the time while you wait for your coffee.
And hey, while you're waiting for your iced latte, because duh, why not strike up a conversation? Coffee shops are social hubs, perfect for meeting new people or catching up with friends. The atmosphere is relaxed, and everyone is there to enjoy a good cup of coffee. A casual "how's your day going so far?" is always a winner. It's a universal question that works in any situation. Whether you're talking to the barista, a fellow customer, or even someone you've just met, it's a great way to start a conversation. You never know. You might just make a new friend. Coffee shops are more than just places to get your caffeine fix. They're community spaces where connections are made. So don't be shy, put yourself out there and enjoy the experience.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Alright, so we're caffeinated and ready to explore. But wait, which way is the Gyeongbokgung Palace again? Don't worry, getting lost is all part of the adventure. If you need directions, just ask a friendly local, "How do I get to?" They'll totally point you in the right direction.
What's new?
And hey, while you're at it, why not throw in a little small talk? What's new is a great way to keep the conversation flowing. You know, just casual chit-chat while you navigate the mean streets of Seoul.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am
Okay, all this exploring has made me seriously hungry. Time for lunch. Rub stomach dramatically. If you're with friends, you can casually suggest, "Let's grab lunch," or "Do you want to eat something?" And if you're feeling indecisive, because same, just ask, "What are you in the mood for?" Korean food is literally the best, so get ready for some serious foodie adventures. Bibimbap, kimchi, jjigae, tteokbokki, the possibilities are endless.
As the sun starts to set on our Seoul adventure, it's time to make some evening plans. Check phone notifications. If you're feeling social, text your friends and be like, "Are you free tonight?" or "Let's catch up later." And if you're feeling extra adventurous, why not suggest a karaoke night? Nothing says cultural immersion like belting out your favorite K-pop songs in a room full of strangers. Laughs awkwardly. Just kidding, but seriously, karaoke is a must-do in Seoul. Okay guys, that was a whirlwind day in Seoul. We explored the city, ate all the food, and learned some seriously useful English phrases. But before we go, I promised you a secret phrase, didn't I? Leans in conspiratorially. Are you ready for this? It's "what's the word on the street?" It basically means what's going on, but it sounds way cooler, right? Winks at camera. Now go forth and impress your friends with your newfound English skills. Okay, so that was like a super fun virtual trip to Seoul, right? I'm already craving kimchi and daydreaming about karaoke. Sighs dramatically. But seriously, I hope you guys learned some helpful English phrases today. Remember, the key to sounding natural is to just relax, be yourself, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. And most importantly, have fun with it. Blows kiss to camera. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more language adventures.